Theta value equivalent to 17.6098 rands a coin. The present cost range: 16.6542, 17.7562. The earlier day close: 17.0948. The change was plus 0.5150, plus 3.01%. Opposite rate: ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost 16.84 rands, high 18.02, low 15.66. Theta estimate on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 16.25 rands, high 17.39, low 15.11. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 16.12 rands, high 17.25, low 14.99. Theta estimate on Thursday, November 23. Cost 16.54 rands, high 17.70, low 15.38. Theta cost forecast on Friday, November 24. Cost 16.82 rands, high 18.00, low 15.64. In multi-week Theta estimate on Monday, November 27. Cost 15.47 rands, high 16.55, low 14.39. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 15.42 rands, high 16.50, low 14.34. Theta estimate on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 14.98 rands, high 16.03, low 13.93. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost 16.87 rands, high 18.05, low 15.69. Theta figure on Friday, December 1. Cost 17.52 rands, high 18.75, low 16.29. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 18.68 rands, high 19.99, low 17.37. Theta figure on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 18.93 rands, high 20.26, low 17.60. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 19.27 rands, high 20.62, low 17.92. Theta figure on Thursday, December 7. Cost 19.50 rands, high 20.87, low 18.14. Theta cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost 20.06 rands, high 21.46, low 18.66. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, December 11. Cost 19.53 rands, high 20.90, low 18.16. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 19.53 rands, high 20.90, low 18.16. Theta figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 20.68 rands, high 22.13, low 19.23. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 21.70 rands, high 23.22, low 20.18. Theta gauge on Friday, December 15. Cost 21.90 rands, high 23.43, low 20.37. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost 22.30 rands, high 23.86, low 20.74. Theta gauge on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 23.32 rands, high 24.95, low 21.69. Theta cost expectation for walk 2024. In the first place cost at 19.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.52, while low cost 15.25. The found the middle value of cost 17.67. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 16.40, change for spring 16.0%. Theta figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 16.40 rands. Excessive cost 17.88, while low cost 15.54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.63. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 16.71, change for April 1.9%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at 16.71 rands. Excessive cost 18.17, while low cost 15.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.91. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.98, change for May 1.6%. Theta conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 16.98 rands. Excessive cost 16.98, while low cost 14.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.95. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.46, change for June 9.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 15.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.12, while low cost 14.02. The found the middle value of cost 15.17. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.07, change for July 2.5%. Theta gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at 15.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.07, while low cost 12.58. The found the middle value of cost 14.06. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.53, change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 13.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.69, while low cost 13.53. The found the middle value of cost 14.84. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.60, change for September 15.3%. Theta estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 15.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.37, while low cost 15.60. The found the middle value of cost 17.17. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18.10, change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 18.10 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.68, while low cost 17.10. The found the middle value of cost 18.32. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18.39, change for November 1.6%. Theta estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at 18.39 rands. Excessive cost 19.99, while low cost 17.37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.61. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.68, change for December 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 18.68 rands. Excessive cost 21.90, while low cost 18.68. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.93. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20.47, change for January 9.6%. Theta conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 20.47 rands. Excessive cost 21.56, while low cost 18.74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20.23. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20.15, change for February 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for walk 2025. At the outset cost at 20.15